Hello, my name's Karen Paolino Carrere, and I'm honored to be sharing in this 2-hour virtual training during the 2021 convention. My training is called Soul Mediumship, Healing Grief and Connecting with Loved Ones in Spirit. It's very powerful work to help and support people. I'll be giving you a script to guide you to accessing through the soul level connection and communication with your client and their loved ones in spirit. So this is a very powerful technique to heal unresolved grief, to receive messages from their loved ones who have passed, and also to validate the continuity of life. And so I will be sharing in a demonstration through a private session, and I'll also take you through a group session so you can experience it yourself and connect with your loved ones in spirit. So I hope you come to learn and share this powerful technique to support your clients in healing. Blessings.